What we need to make this beautiful wire ring, first of all, some beads, a piece of yarn or a plastic covered wire of about zero point 0.4 or zero point 0.5 millimeter in thick, and also 1 millimeter in thick wire. Main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. Ring mandrel, a hard hammer, and that's all. First, pick up your yarn or the plastic covered wire and wrap it all around the finger that you are going to make the ring for. When you wrapped it one time, just mark it and open it up to have the length that you desire to make the ring. Then pick up 1 millimeter thick wire and put it on this length. First pull it well, and then this is one time, and do that for 3 times of this length, and then cut the wire out, of course with the wire cutter. And this is the length for our main structure. Just check it out to be straight and remove the weaving parts. Just pull it and with your finger check it out. Or you could use the plastic hammer to make it all straight. When the wire is soft or dead soft, it's easy to do that with your finger. Then put it on the hard surface and with the iron hammer, just start to hammer in it till you get a pattern just like this. And then put it on ring mandrel and just a little above of the place that you had marked as your ring size, and just wrap it all around. This is the first round, and you should pay attention to the starting point. We push it with the plastic part of our tool tight so that it would be sit on the ring mandrel well, and I would continue wrapping it till the end. So I continue wrapping it for the second and third time. This would be something like this, and I would push the ending point with the plastic part of my tool. This is the main structure. That is just like a spring, isn't it? And that could be even a simple structured wire ring itself, but we are going to attach some beads onto this wire ring. So pick up the beads and also the thinner wire of about 0.5 millimeter thick. First of all, insert the thinner wire into the main structure. Bend it first to be easier to do that, and we are going to place it at the middle ring. Make it as a U shape, and then put one tail behind the other to have something like this, a little loop that is just attached to the ring. Two sides and two tails of this wire are vertical, one at the top and one at the bottom. And I'm going to make a wire coiling at one side, so I make the wire just like a U shape and then pull it with my round nose pliers to have something like this. And don't forget to squeeze the ending point so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. Then I'm going to place it at the middle ring because it has moved its place, and I'm going to fix it. Cut this wire out in about 10 centimeters. Insert the first bead in. The color, shape, or even the size depends on you, but mine is about 4 millimeter in diameter. Then, after every bead, make a tie just like this, and this would be something like this, a U shape, and I pull it and make a tie. If needed, use your round nose pliers to pull it better. Squeeze it a little with your thumbnail and fix the bead. And again, make another wire wrapping part and use your round nose pliers to fix it better. And for the next step, add the next bead in. We are going to continue inserting beads and then make a tie, then continue that till the end. And I'm doing it for about 5 beads. These are, of course, little and tiny beads. Then this would be something like this after adding beads. And at the end, just make another wire coiling part, and that would be the ring that we had made. We could make 2 very little loops at the start and ending point so that it wouldn't harm and hurt your finger. So with your round nose pliers, just make a loop like this at the start and ending point. So I would continue doing that and making the loop at the other side, just like this, and almost ready the wire ring that we had made with beautiful beads. Hope you make one and enjoy it so much. How did you find this tutorial? Hope you had enjoyed it.